So let's talk about AI and women in their 40 plus 50s, 60s, having to use AI to change our lives. Now, you may be thinking that, oh, AI is for people that are tech nerds or those that work in Silicon Valleys. No, it's one of the best things that has happened to us as women in this age group. And I'll be taking you through the things that you can use AI for. So just sit tight with me. Let's jump into it. So reason number one, it helps with it saves time. And honestly, who isn't craving a little extra time these days? I do. So AI tools like ChatGPT help me to write my emails. They help me with my social media posts. They help me with the kids' homework. I mean, these days their homework is like ridiculous. And so that helps me with repetitive tasks, things that, I mean, they're just some things I don't want to do. I just go to ChatGPT and that helps me with it. So it saves time. Yes. Reason number two, AI can help you make money with little or no tech experience. Yes, you heard me. So you can create digital products, you can design AI tools like Canva, you can create so many things. You can even create just like YouTube videos, just like what I'm doing right now. The opportunities with using AI is endless. In this channel, I'll be covering some beginners friendly AI income ideas, and you don't want to miss it. So if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribers button. Finally, AI is actually fun. Once you start playing around with these tools, you'll be amazed at what you can create, whether it's designing a vision board, generating a new recipe, or creating an AI avatar like me. It makes text feel accessible and exciting, not intimidating and boring. So, if you've been thinking AI isn't for me, I promise it absolutely is. It's our time to tap into the future, simplify our lives, and open doors we didn't know even existed. I'll be right here with you, finally showing you step by step. So go ahead and hit the like button if this inspired you today and subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss the weekly videos I'll be putting up here, especially for women in the 40 plus who are ready to use tech to grow and to get an income. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.